masasabi ninyong best na itutulong ng Motul dito sa event natin sa 2026 Boss Ironman Mindanao Cup? Go ahead.
So, ito, nagbibigay siya ng opportunity sa mga riders all over the Philippines na maging part ng Boss Ironman. Kasi pinapakita dito yung endurance, yung lakas ng mga riders natin na matapos nila within 24 hours yung 1,200 kilometers sa Mindanao Loop. So, malaking bagay yon for them, for their endurance, para mas maging malakas pa sila. At syempre, magandang opportunity ito sa lahat ng mga nagjo-join ng Boss Ironman Mindanao Cup.
Fantastic answer. How about you, Kimi?
Same as well.
Hindi, okay. Simula kahapon nandito na kayo. Anong napansin mo dun sa vibe ng mga riders natin from the time na nag-ipon sila hanggang sa pinakawalan natin sila?
Actually, from the first place, nakikita mo yung teamwork nila.
Okay.
Diba? At saka yung may goal talaga sila para sa challenge.
Para sa challenge talaga. Ikaw naman, ano ang observation mo, Aliyah, dun sa unang grupo no, na winelcome natin dito sa finish line? What was your thoughts when they arrived here at tinanggap na yung mga medalya nila?
First of all, of course, congratulations po, and your dedications really na nakaka-proud. Yun lang, lagi kayong mag-iingat sa mga ride nyo, and thank you so much, Motul, for this opportunity, especially for those riders. Maraming salamat po. God bless.
Thank you, thank you. Hailey, nabanggit na yung Motul, ano? What I want to ask you is, okay, so si Motul tinutulungan ng mga motorcycle riders natin, but how about Infinite Serve? What I know about Infinite Serve is, apart from it being the biggest distributor, pinaka-active sila. Kumusta naman ang Infinite Serve, sila Boss Charlie, sa mga tauhan nila? How do they serve them? Husay ba ng Motul?
Well, I can only talk for us models. We've been together with Infinite Surf for almost 5 years now.
Wow, okay.
So, hindi naman po kami tatagal ng ganun katagal kay Model if they don't take good care of their people or Infinite Surf themselves. And kagaya po ng mga ganitong klaseng event, and it's such an honor for us to experience this type of event. Because Boss Ironman, it's not just any other endurance challenges like others out there. It is for a cause. Kagaya nga po ng sinabi kahapon ng BMW Owners Society of Safe Riders. They're doing this because they are helping other people as well. So, hindi lang po nila napapasaya yung mga riders who love, you know, what they're doing right now, but they are also helping other people to events like this. Kaya very happy po kami to be part of Infinite Safe family. Thank you so much, Boss Cha!
Galing, galing. Lay, ito naman, you guys do this for a living, pero I'm sure may mga ibang pinagkakabalahan pa kayo. How do you, endurance din to di ba? This is an endurance sport. Tatakbo ka ng 1,200 kilometers, 24 hours. Kayo, Motul ladies, how do you maintain na nakatayo, nakangiti all throughout the day, Lay?
I think kailangan natin ma-maintain yung freshness, and of course, mananatili tayong fresh if yung mga kasama natin, yung mga co-work natin, very friendly and reliable. And just like their product, yung Motul, their oil is very reliable. My co-models and yung team ng Infinite Serve and Motul, they're also reliable and very friendly. So yung work, parang hindi mo siya masyadong dama kasi magaan, everyone's friendly. So yun.
Ito, on the spot microphone from Lay all the way to Eloisa here. One word. I want you to describe Boss Ironman Mindanao Cup in one word. Top of mind. Ready? Go!
Fulfilling.
Happy.
Fulfilling. Family.
Solid.
Solid.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Fun.
Fun. Ladies and gentlemen, ang ating Motul ladies. Finally, Hailey, how about your message to the boss team led by Press Henry over here, and of course, kay Sir Charlie and the rest of our fans here in General Santos. Speak for the group na, Hailey.
Okay, first of all, kagaya po ng sinabi ko a while ago, not everyone know na we're doing this for a cause. So, ngayon po na pinopromote na natin yung tourism, and we're spreading the word that we're doing this because we aim to help other people as well. I think a lot of people will understand why events like this are happening. So, thank thank you so much po for creating such wonderful events sa mga boss po ng Boss Ironman. And of course, Sir Charlie at sa bumubuo po ng Motol Infinite Serve Luzon. Thank you so much for sponsoring such types of event kasi of course it's going to be hard to create events as big as this if there's no teamwork. So thank you po sa lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin Eloisa, Kimmy, Aliyah, Hailey, and Lay, the ladies of Motul, led by Sir Charlie all over there. Ladies, maraming salamat and enjoy the rest of the day. In the meantime, balik tayo sa Ramon. Up in a few, they'll be ready again. We go back to DJ Kim.